Hello my friend, welcome to your channel SolidWorks Classroom. Today we want to design an easy 3D model and compare and explain Extruded Cut and Intersect. And I will also try to explain Extruded Cut and Intersect with good examples. So first in here, click on top plane, sketch normal, click on center rectangle. Okay, smart dimension. This one is 200 millimeters. This one is 100 millimeters. So click on feature, extruded boss base. Extruded about 15 millimeters. Okay, that's good. So now in here, click on the upper face and sketch normal. Select line. Okay, so now in here using the line, we draw some lines on the upper face just for explain better extruded cut and intersect. Okay, so now in here the sides are not important to us because in this video we want to explain extruded cut and intersect. So now in here please go to this option, display delete relation, click on this flash, click on fully define sketch, calculate, and okay. Isometric view, feature extruded by space, extruded about 50 millimeter. That's okay. So now in here I want you to go to a sketch, click on 3D sketch, select center line. So now in here, exact from 3D sketch, click on feature, reference geometry, plane. Click on this point and one of these lines. It's not important for select which one of them. Okay. So now in here, go to sketch, plane 1. Okay, so now in here, select this line, hold shift on your keyboard and select both of these lines. Click on convert entities and go to features, extruded cut, make it reverse, click on OK. So now in here look at this 3D model carefully. The extruded cut does not remove the rest of parts for us like this, okay? And only remove the part that we have chosen. So now what should we do if we want to make a complete cut from the part we have chosen? As if, for example, a grinding machine cut the part from plane 1 completely. So now our answer is in the intersect. I want you to look carefully at the 3D sketch and try to remember it and review it in your mind when we finish working with the intersect. So now my friend, hold the control key on your keyboard and press the letter key to go back. Okay, that's good. So now I want to hide this 3D sketch. Also I want to exact from this sketch and also hide this sketch. So now in here go to feature intersect. So now my friend, in here we have to select two things. The first thing is the 3D object and the second thing is first plane. Plane 1 works exactly like a millstone blade for us and spread our 3D model in two parts. How to do? Let me show you. So now we are in here, click on the 3D sketch and select plane 1, click on intersect. Okay, so now look at the 3D sketch carefully. If I click on the top option, I mean this one, region 1, the top part of the 3D model will be removed. Remember that plane 1 works like a blade for us. And if I click on the region 2, the bottom part will be removed. And if we click on the top option, I mean this one, region 1, the lower part of our 3D model will be remain for us. I hope you understand my explanation. So now in here, select region 1, click on OK. Okay, so now our 3D model will be cut from plane 1 and completely remove all of those things that is the top of our plane 1. So now in here, my friend, hold Ctrl key on your keyboard and press this letter to go back. So now I want to hide plane 1. So I want to use shell for continue of explanation intersect. Click on shell, click on the upper face, show preview, make this one 3mm. That's okay. So now here pay attention to the 3D model. One of the ways to calculate the volume inside the model is to use the intersect. How to do this? Let me explain to you. If I want to fill the inside the 3D model with the water, okay, with water, how much water do I need? Here we have to determine the amount of water filling with plane. In fact, I will determine the amount of water filling with the plane. The distance between the top plane and the new plane shows the water filling. So now in here, go to feature, reference geometry, plane. First reference, we select top plane and this one is 90mm. Okay, so click on OK. So now let me explain it again for better understanding. In here we determine the amount of water filling with the plane. In fact, I will determine the amount of water filling with the plane. The distance between top plane, this one, okay, top plane, the distance between the top plane and the new plane shows the water filling. So now I want you to click on the intersect, click on create internal region. This option gives us the specified volume inside. So click on it. Here we should click on our 3D model and plane. Okay, so now this is the amount of our internal 3D model. We specified the internal volume. Now the question is, what is the specified volume? So now in here, my friend, click on OK. Okay. So now let me again show you in here. So now click on solid bodies. Okay, that's okay. This is the internal volume of our 3D model. Okay, let me use a sketch, small dimension. The distance between these two plan is 90 millimeters. This is the highest of water filling. So let me go to evaluate mass properties. So now in here, it shows the highest of water as 90 millimeters. Okay, so now pay attention to these mass properties. In here, the volume of internal our 3D model is this, okay, in cubic millimeters. So we determine the amount of water filling of our 3D model in here. So I think for this video that's enough. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe the channel, like and comment on the video for supporting channel. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it. I will see you in the next video. Have a nice day and goodbye, my friend.